everybody, I'm over here with Barak from Combat Wipes. You guys might remember when I reviewed these, he's going to give you a little bit of information on the Combat Wipes and all the different lines of things they have here.
Perfect. So we're doing outdoor hygiene products, all biodegradable, which is completely important nowadays. No synthetics. You can bury them after using compost or soil and they completely go back to Mother Nature. The active product is our main focus item, a fabric for all, product for all, antibacterial, that can be used by anyone, babies 99 years old, for anyone going outdoors. Then we have the Commando. So the Commando product is unique because it's a more tactical product. I'll show you an open pack. The important thing about this one, very different from the active, to start with, it's black. Black for any hunting, camouflage situations. In this case, it's also unscented, a request by hunters and anyone hiking, camping in our Ampere zone, etc. Or anyone who is maybe allergic to perfumes. Not to forget the ladies, the Gaia, Greek mythology, goddess of the earth, important. So anyone should feel a goddess and going back to nature, Mother Earth. The formula on this product is unique because it has a lot of delicate components. Aloe vera, vitamin E, chamomile, cranberry, calendula, can be used by any intimate body parts of women or even men if you want. They all come in a very sleek pack, pocket size, 25 wipes per pack that can fit in any pocket of anyone. They come out easily one by one, so you don't fight back with pushing back everything back into the box. Thick texture material, it doesn't replace a shower. If you can, take a shower. But if not, if you're a few hours, days out, clean yourself pretty well and keep your body healthy. That's what we do. We make them.
One of the things I noticed about the Combat Wipes is I just finished cleaning up a gun and my hands were filthy, of course.
Exactly.
And I used it, I'm looking at this, I'm like, how is something black going to get my hands clean? I used it and I was like that, just perfectly clean again.
Well,
they work very well.
It's also good for people who doesn't like to see what comes out when you clean.
That's these here.
So it's really amazing. Another important thing is that it sells on Amazon, and we do the civil application outdoor gear retailers and also law enforcement and military. What else? I think we're done.
Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you very much.
We're happy to be here.
I can tell you they do work well. I've actually reviewed them before, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.